Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you guys my February favorites. I don't have a lot this month because most of the makeup that I did pick up throughout the month I either haven't used yet or I haven't used enough to put it in my favorites. But there are a few things that I've just used and I've just been loving ever since I started to use them. So those are the ones we're going to focus on today. So just keep in mind I don't have a lot. I did pick up three new eyeshadow palettes, 4 new eyeshadow palettes, but I haven't used any of them yet. No, I picked up 6 new eyeshadow palettes. 2 of them I've used, and those videos will be up soon. But the other ones I haven't used yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my February favorites. And these are the goods. Just like January, a lot of these are highlighters, but I don't know, I've just been on a big glow binge lately. So if you want to see the products that I love for the month of February, then just keep on watching. Quick note, if you like this look, it was filmed. It's my Valentine's Day get ready with me. I just have on a different lip. It should be up already, so I'm going to go ahead and link it over here. So the first favorite I want to talk about is the Kat Von D Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter Palette. I love this. I did a whole swatch review on this while I swatched this on my face and on my hands. So if you want to see that, I will link it right here right now so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I absolutely love this. These are highlighters, but they're very, very glittery. They have a lot of glitter in them, and they are like extreme. So you have like this like pinkish purple one right here, and then you have like a opal greenish one, and then you have like this peachy rose one. I absolutely love this, and I've never really been, I don't mind highlighters that have a lot of glitter in them, but this is the one that I own that has like the most. And these are extremely pigmented, like extremely. So if you want to see how these look on my skin, make sure you go ahead and click that card, and also it'll be linked down in the description box. But I've been absolutely loving this for the month of February. The next favorite are some lashes, and they're the lashes that I'm wearing right now, and these are the Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee. Earlier this month, early February, I went ahead and picked up a bunch of Cocoa lashes. I've heard so much about them, so I just went and picked up a bunch of pairs that I see a lot of people wear, and one of them was Queen Bee, and I've been wearing the same pair for like the whole month of February. I absolutely love these lashes. They last a long time. This is one I bought about 3 pairs of these. This is the first pair, and I'm still on them. They still look good. I make sure I go ahead and I clean them, get them really sanitized. These are some beautiful lashes. They are really full, but not like overpowering. Oh, they are really full, but they don't like overpower my face. I don't like lashes that overpower my face and overpower my eye looks. I don't like that, and these don't do that. Even though they're really, really full, they flare out the ends. The only thing I don't like about these is that they say they're easy to apply, which they kind of are, but I feel like I have to put extra glue on them to get them to stick. Maybe it's just me, but I kind of have to go heavy in with the glue to get these to stick on my eyes. But other than that, I absolutely love these lashes. The next favorite is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries. I use this for this look, and I absolutely love this. And I'm not even surprised that I do. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. Like, I know it's been sold out for a while, but the owner did say it'll be back in stock soon if it's not already back in stock. I love the Blushing Berries, and this is the one that is like its name is more like a berry tone palette. Come on, camera. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The black in here is the most pigmented black eyeshadow I've ever used in my entire life. Oh, my camera doesn't look, I hope I don't look too dark in this camera, because I feel like I look really dark in this camera. But this is the most pigmented black I've ever used. This palette is $36, I believe, and you get 5 shades. Dose of Colors makes a good eyeshadow. Like, I have 3 of these. I have the Big Browns, this one, and the Sassy Siennas, which I haven't used on camera yet. And I've used maybe 1 shade in it one day. So I really want to go ahead and get some use out of this one. I love this. If you're really into like berry toned eyeshadows, you need to pick this up. The next favorite is an eyeshadow primer, not an eyeshadow primer, a face primer. When it comes to face primers, I like what I like and I continue to use that. I like what I like. So I ran out of my Smashbox Photo Finish primer and I like that one, don't get me wrong, but because I have my makeup on for so long throughout the day, it tends to break down. Towards the end of the day, that primer breaks down on me. So I wanted to find something that just wouldn't do that, and I found it. And that is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Oh my god. I don't know where I've been. But like now I'm here. Like so many people love this primer and I've never given this primer a try until now. I've never tested it out, nothing. So when I ran out of my Smashbox one, this is like one of the highest reviewed primers on Sephora. This and the Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer are one of the most highly reviewed primers on Sephora. I love this. So it's not a mattifying primer, it's more to hydrate, but the texture of it helps the makeup adhere to your face and really it holds on to the makeup. My makeup does not break down towards the end of the night like it does with the Smashbox one. I can mix it with my mattifying primers like I normally do a lot. I'll go in with one primer and I'll go in my T-zone with my mattifying primer. I do that with this one as well, but I've also worn it on its own and our makeup has lasted. I love this primer. I don't plan on going back to my Smashbox one because for me, this one works better on my skin. So I won't be repurchasing my Smashbox primer. This is be all about Too Faced for me. I love this primer. It has like a coconut scent. And I love the smell of coconut candles, coconut lotion, coconut spray, anything coconut, I'm on it. It has a pump. And like I said, the texture of it it's slightly tacky, very slightly, but it still nourishes my face. My face doesn't feel dry because I do get dry all like in this area. I told you guys, I feel like the older I'm getting, the drier my skin is getting, but I love this primer. Like it's a staple now. It's a staple now. I love this primer. So if you haven't tried it, like I haven't tried it up until now, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. I love this face primer. The next favorite are some eyeshadow palettes, and these are the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes in Rose in the Air and Not a Basic Peach. I did a review. I did a whole review on these. I will link it where I kind of play in both of these palettes, and since that review I have been using them. I love these palettes. They're really pigmented. They're all of like $4.99 at the drugstore. These are Wet n Wild's new palettes in their new formula and new like layout. I absolutely love these, you guys. You guys have to try them. These are so good. The only thing I want to say is that the shimmers in here need a little bit building. I would say go in with them wet to really get that opacity of what we all know and love from a shimmer shade. But as far as the mattes go, they're pigmented, they're buttery. You will get a lot of kick up in these palettes from the mattes and the shimmers, but other than that, they work beautifully. And I'm gonna use these again in a video for you guys because I really do like them. Now we're getting into the highlighters that I've been loving. Why did I feel like I had a lot of highlighters? This is mostly eyeshadows. Whatever. So now we're getting to the highlighters that I love from the February. So the first one is the ColourPop in Nude Indo highlighter palette. I've been loving this. Loving this highlighter palette. I filmed a review on it, but I don't really like the way the video came out. I might end up still uploading it anyway. If it's up, I will link it. If it's not, then it might be up in a few days. I think I'm just gonna upload it anyway. It isn't my best, but I really wanted to get it out because I really did enjoy using these products. I've been loving this. The only thing is that ColourPop claimed that these give like a wet look on the skin. It's not the highlight I have right now, but for me it doesn't really give that. But these are blind blinding highlighters. They, just like ColourPop said, they don't have a lot of glitter in them. So if you're not really into glitter highlighters, this is perfect for you. I know some people don't like the ColourPop Luster Dust. I love them because they have so much glitter in them, but these don't have that. So if you don't like the Luster Dust, definitely pick these up. I've never tried ColourPop's pressed highlighters. I love their Super Shock Cheek highlighters. I love those. I love these just as much. I love this palette. In that video, I swatch it and try each shade on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just upload it anyway. So just stay tuned for that. So I've been loving this. And the last favorite are the Kylie Cosmetics. What are these called? I don't remember what they're called. They're like her these are her loose highlighters. I don't remember what the actual name of them, but I picked up 2 of them. I have Fiji and Tahiti. Fiji is the one that I have on right now. And on my skin tone, this gives me that wet look. That wet look that I want to achieve, that everyone is able to achieve, but I never seem to get it. I get it from this highlighter. I love Fiji. So Fiji is like a champagne gold, and Tahiti is like a peachy rose gold. Oh, that's Tahiti. I absolutely love these. They're only $14. I picked these up a while, no, not a while ago. I picked them up at the end of January when she had a sale. Yeah, she had like 15% off, and I picked up these 2 and 2 of her liquid lipsticks, which I've never tried either. I picked up Brown Sugar and Love Bite, and I haven't worn Brown Sugar yet. I've only worn Love Bite, but I like it. I love these. They're so pigmented. Literally, these are like blinding. So this is Fiji. That's Fiji. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on this side. Like you need like the slightest amount of these. So I'm just gonna, look at that. Look at that, you guys. I love these highlighters. If you have not tried them, definitely pick them up. I've been loving them. Alright everybody, those are my favorites for the month of February. Make sure you guys go ahead and check these products out. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box. I should be able to find a link for everything. So everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.